Hello again, everyone. It's Vince from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for April 13th, 2020. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see a bit of a mixed close. The Dow was lower by 328 points, or about 1.39%. S&P 500 lower by 28 points, or about 1%, while NASDAQ was actually higher by 38 points, or about 0.5%. This had a lot to do with shares of Amazon, which had a really strong day today. The Russell 2000, though, down 35 points, or 2.8% today. The bond market showed some weakness, and the yield on the 10-year note settled at 0.756%. Crude oil down slightly despite that big production cut over the weekend. Gold up almost 12 points, or 0.68%, a new 52-week high here, while the dollar index pulls back, or continues to pull back. Now, we have earnings season kicking off tomorrow, and some big names kicking off, the likes of JP Morgan tomorrow, followed by Wells Fargo, Johnson & Johnson, FAST also reporting tomorrow, and then Wednesday, excuse the drawings there, and then Wednesday we get a number of more of the financial stocks and a few other big names. We have Bank of America on Wednesday, United Health, Citigroup, Goldman Sachs, Charles Schwab, PNC, and USB also report on Wednesday. So it's going to kick in really quick here. We got some big names tomorrow and Wednesday. But that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.